Hey guys, what's up? This is Joey. Today we're gonna be talking about Metatrader 4 on Google Play Store for Android. Just go to Google, put it as Mt4. You get this blue sign saying Metatrader 4. Just click on it. I already downloaded. It's a free app, no charge. Yes, here we go. The click sign, the arrow sign is trying to help us. Metatrader 4. I already got this open button since I already had. You have to download, and I downloaded on open, and then you have to click on manage account. I already got few, so I'm trying to delete one so that I can show you how you can create. Go to plus sign and open a demo account. Here we go. Put it as Alright, so you put it at IFCM market demo. It's showing over here since I already had that. That's the reason it's showing again. So you click on IFCM, just click on demo. The moment you click on that, it tells you to put your name, phone, email address. Then you do have a deposit option where you can change deposit option from 5,000 to 10,000. In name, any name you put, any phone number and the email address, then create the account. Then you have the screen where next what you got to do is you got to click on codes. When you click on codes, it already gives you like 5-6 options. What you can do in case if you want to add on your favorite one, you have AUCD, then you click on plus, then you have Forex, add symbols. No, I don't like any of those. I will go to Forex Major to check which one is my favorite. Here we go. I'm clicking on few, so you would be able to see that. The moment you click on that, it would be automatically added to your main screen where you can open that from. Here we go. USD one of the best one for me. Here we go. This is one of the best charts app we have for Forex or any stock market chart. We do have Alibaba, Apple, gold, silver. You can choose whichever you like to trade with. And here we go. I'm trying to click on few so that it comes to my favorite screen, my main screen. We do have a Nasdaq stocks, Alibaba, Apple, McDonald's, JP Morgan. You're gonna get all that over there in case if you're using any of those. I basically follow Forex, so let's see. And I do trade WTI crude oil. That's my favorite. Stock NYSE, stock Nasdaq. You do have future currency, Bitcoin, in case if you trade that. There we go. You do have future energy where you can see crude oil. I know. Now what's next? I'm just trying to show you that you have all those options. You just got to click on those. So now all those clicked have come to my main screen. You have EUR, JPY, EUR, GBP, AUD, USD. We got all. So in case, let's say if you want to delete any of those because there are many and you're not trading those, so what you got to do, you got to click on those. Yes, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just tick the sign and just hit the delete button. Yes, here we go. In case if you want to delete all, just click on the whole delete. Okay. So now you have those options for the charts. What you got to do now is you got to click on any of those, and it's gonna ask you to open the chart. And let's see, USD CAD, USD JPY, EUR JPY. Open the chart. Okay, so here we go. Oh wow, I do see a pin bar, bullish pin bar, which may change the picture, but no worries. We're not here to discuss the technicals. This is the time frame. The moment you click on any candle, it's gonna give you all the time frame, like hour, 4 hour, weekly, daily. That's very advanced, and the best part is it's free of cost. You're not paying anything for that. Here we go. Okay, these are that's a crosshair. You see that plus sign? That's basically for crosshair. If you want to check the support price, resistance price, I removed that one. Okay, so next one is indicators. We talk about indicators, how you use that. So you click on that F sign and remove that. F sign gives you all those options. You have moving averages, parabolic, Ishimoku, Bollinger Band, my favorite. See, I got Bollinger Band over here, and here we go. Let's see. Here we go. That's a moving average which I'm trying to add. That's a 9 period moving average, so that you go get those signals. You got a selling signal over here, and then again you had a buying signal over here. Small time frames. Okay. That's a Bollinger Band with 9 EMA. Then we do have Ishimoku. Whichever indicators you want to use, they are actually available. We do have a RSI. We do have bull power, forex index. So whichever works out for you, you can go ahead and try to add. We do have a fractals, parabolic SAR, CCI, MACD. MACD doesn't look good in forex. I actually want those two lines, but no worries. Here we got all the indicators in case if you want to see. I remove all those because I basically follow the price action, and for the price action, the most important thing which we need is the trend lines. Here we go. I'm also gonna let you know, I show you that F button where it will gonna help you. It will help you to add the indicators. When you click on that, those 3 white dots, they are the indicators. There we go. Yes. So now, since I've already told you that I basically follow price action, so price action is most important thing which we need is trend lines. So do you see those at the right in corner? Those 3 white dots we have. You click on this one, white dots. There we go. So now you click on plus, then you have that option to add trend lines. You have trend by angel. You have many things over here. The best part is it's all free. It's very nice. Mt4 Android works very well, very clean, very nice. It has all the indicators. We do have Elliott. We do have Fibonacci. Fibonacci retracement is my favorite, but they don't have extensions. Yep, here we go. So I show you how you just click on this one and put that a trend line. That was a support, and finally broken. That's pretty easy and simple, very nice. I'm sure you would like it. So in case if you want to delete that, just do a long press on that trend line and it will give you option to delete. Then you may delete that. Okay, here we go. In case if you want to do a horizontal lines, to click on the support, the next support we have, you can do that. And naked charts are best. Very clear movement. They tell you what are the support, what are the resistance. Earlier I was a very good fan of indicators, but after spending time, stopped all doing that. I do use MACD. That's pretty good with my price action. Crossover, they do help you with that. Okay, so the next support we have over here. Okay, we're not going to be talking about technical analysis over here, since it's all about Mt4. So I'm sure you would love it. In case if you got any query, you can always put that on the messages, and I'll definitely reply back. We do have Fibonacci, retracement, all sort of trend lines we got over here. See, that's my 38.2 and 61 and 50, all the Fibonacci level to check where that's gonna be retracing till what price. So we have covered indicators, we have covered trend lines, we have covered Fibonacci that can be found again in those three dots at the right, which I have told you. You just got to click on plus, then you can add. I have removed everything from here. There you go. Naked charts. I love naked charts. They're the best. Don't think that I'm saying that again and again just for you only. No, no, no. It's. I mean, say the moment you have a little bit hold in the market, you would realize that. See that that's a resistance which we are facing. But don't worry. Yes, I'm just gonna squat it down. That's the area. So you can use any charts, whichever works out for you. This is XAG USD. Looks like we got head and shoulder. This is how you can just place an order. You can sell it. Order is open, done. You see that loss. You can do practice in any forex market for any script, whichever works out for you. For a few days before you need to see that whether it's going well or not. So it's not asking you to pay anything. You can close the order in case if you want to get rid of the trade, just close. Order is closed. So see, the point is very nice and very clean charts, and it's all free. You practice, and come back and start putting that money into the real trades. But yeah, practice is more important. Knowing the chart and movement is very important. You have that option to increase the uh, money amount, like 5,000, 10,000, so that you can practice. uh, EUR, GBPY, USD, CAD. We see that we have an inverted head and shoulder. See, I'm so much addicted to the charts. That's the reason I'm saying again and again. The moment I see charts, naked charts, I know the moment that what's gonna happen. It's inverted. This is shoulder, head, shoulder. Then that's a neckline. If you break that, that's a the target. I'm gonna click on that. Yes, that's our target. Soon we can see a boom in this forex currency. Uh, you see that? Yes. You see, you have all those time frames. It's very nice. I'm sure you would love it. Yes, H1, H4, whichever times work out for you. Do you see those price action tells you this is support, support, support? They are all support. If I can draw a trend line, that's long term. We have a like support area. It's going up, then again it fall down, then again we have inverted head and shoulder. It means that it's gonna bounce back from this particular breaking this neckline. So having said that, I'm just trying to tell you we have very beautiful candlesticks. We have indicators I have covered. I have covered time frames. I have covered Fibonacci. On this dollar sign on the screen only, you can click on any of those foreign currency. Just click on it and that'll take you to the chart. That's Bitcoin. I told somebody yesterday, until or unless we break 6,800, we're gonna see a big drop. So the drop is here. We almost dropped down to 5 to 600 points. That's still on the support. 60 to 230 is the support. I keep talking about charts only, even though I know that it's all about Mt4. So next video I'll make and talk about some